Hello, hello, hello. Welcome everyone to Heart Center Connection. Here at Heart Center, we are a living community that believes at sharing our challenges and our gifts so that we can each be authentic and free. What does it mean to be authentic? It means that you can cry, you can laugh, you can cuss, you can express any pain or confusion that is in us. Certainly in Los Angeles right now, there's a lot of that. What's outside is inside. So, my beloved teacher, Dr. and Master Jigang Sha, he's taught me countless classics, including Tao Te Ching and Heart Sutra. And it's really deeply inspired me tonight to go over the three-step model of the Heart Sutra. And we're going to use this three-step model in the Heart Sutra to process what's happening right now in Los Angeles. So step number one is we see the mountain, right? So when we turn on the news, what do we see? We see tear gas being deployed. We see the names and the pictures of people being detained. We see conflicts between the police and the people. Step two is there is no mountain. What does that mean? That means when we close our eyes and we look inside our central channel, we can in fact go to a place of no thought, no negative thought, no negative feeling, no negative blockages. But we don't just stay there. We don't arrive peace and stay at home. We go on to step three. Step three is you see a mountain, it's still a mountain. What step three means is once we find our inner peace, our inner strength, our inner confidence, we then go out into the world and serve all souls unconditionally. Because what's in one is in all, right? So step one is we read the news and we see the karma. Step two is we practice no mind and entering the emptiness. Step three is we step in our dharma, our purpose, our service, where you receive fifth dimension light to wash away any remaining fear, confusion, and to turn on your dharma, your purpose, your service.
I thank you all for coming. So, as you may or may not know, after every Wednesday episode, we have the you have the option of receiving a Shiching Huzhuo blessing, very much like the blessing that Chloe received.
I don't usually have visions in my third eye, but what I was able to get was like a delicate stacking of cards, just kind of building up to this point where I could receive this. It wasn't fully done yet, just the base structure was. I definitely have some more refining to do and stepping into my confidence and my authority. Whatever I will do ever in my life, I am always supported. I'm never alone. You're never alone. We'll always be here to lift other people up.
As I began to say earlier, every Wednesday night at 8:30 p.m., you can receive a Shiching Huzhuo blessing like the one that Chloe did, although it will not be the exact same blessing. Why? Because you will get the blessing through Winnie's channel, and therefore it will be unique to your need in the moment that you are in. There is no other channel like it on earth. Join us here at 8:30 p.m. if you want more. And you can also join us at 7 a.m. on Monday and Tuesday, and Thursday and Friday. And of course, we love to see you here every week. This is our weekly offering, Heart Center Connection. Thank you for joining us to help create a world where love leads the way.